Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today we are going to trace E sound. Okay, after recognizing the vocabulary and the sound, we are going to trace it. Okay, so now let's start. First we trace it on sand. Go down and put the dot on the head. Excellent! Now we are going to trace on SPL. Put your hand and start tracing. Go down and put the dot on the head. Good job! Now we are going to trace on table. Go down and put the dot on the head. Well done! Now I hope you learned E sound very well, and now you will do your task in your notebook. Allah Hafiz, take care.